Hello, welcome to the next class. In this video, you'll learn how to ask for directions and give directions in English. Perfect for beginners who want to communicate effectively when traveling or navigating new places. One lesson outline: asking for directions. Excuse me, where is the bank, store, hotel? How do I get to the park, the museum? Could you tell me how to get to the train station? 2. Understanding directions: turn left, turn right. Go straight. It's on the corner. It's across from the building, street. 3. Giving directions: go straight for 2 blocks, take the first right, turn left at the traffic light. It's next to the pharmacy.